Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel, and for today's video we are gonna do another food video or food vlog, you can say. So I thought of preparing mushroom fried rice today. So be with me. So before doing the video I will talk about how mushrooms are prepared, how they are cleaned and all that stuff, how they are cut. So for preparing this, we have here with us some mushrooms. So this much of mushroom is more than sufficient. It depends on how many people you have to eat. And here we have onion, then garlic, then green chili, and then coriander leaves, which we have cut equally. Apart from that, we have Ching's dark soya sauce, which we got it last time, and red chili sauce. So apart from this, you can use any other variety of sauces also. Here we have cooked basmati rice. So for this we use a bit of oil and water and boil it so it becomes like this. So fried rice, it's a very dry meal if you ask me. So everything is dried products. Once we start preparing, I'll show you. Then other ingredients. This is salt, and side of it is pepper, and the main ingredients of this dish is one soya sauce and another is the pepper. So without these two ingredients, the fried rice never becomes very good and tasty. So friends, I thought of giving a bit of information about mushrooms today. So these mushrooms are the most commonly available mushrooms in the market. That too in our area, that is Udupi district, we get these mushrooms more commonly in vegetable shops. So these mushrooms have a very good name in case of eating, and these are the commonly used mushrooms in case of mushroom pakodas, then other stuff. So they come in that umbrella type form, and it's very easy to cut also. So about these mushrooms, so mushrooms usually are antioxidants in nature. Apart from that, they consist of psyllium, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, and other chemicals within them. So it's very useful for our health. Apart from this, dietitians and doctors also recommend eating mushrooms, like in case of patients having Alzheimer's, cancer, then health diseases, and diabetes mellitus also. So mushroom is a very important ingredient in day-to-day life. I don't recommend eating it daily. And apart from these mushrooms, in Bangalore you get other category of mushrooms, edible mushrooms itself, with long tails, and some with a bigger head, and some with a unique shape. So I cannot classify which is toxic and which may not be, and some of the mushrooms may be used in case of your soups and other places. So now without wasting any time, let's continue with our dish we have. So I'll quickly go through and start preparing. So in this, we have poured a bit of refined oil, you can see. We took it from that bottle actually. So apart from that, now we are going to put garlic next. So my mom is helping me here out with this. So garlic we have placed already. Now we have to stir it so we get that proper essence of garlic. And as you all know, garlic is another very good ingredient in case of Ayurvedic medicines and all. It's most commonly used, and very good for heart. So it is recommended to bite garlic and take its effect in case of heart related patients. It's true that garlic causes a bit of irritation in your stomach if it's empty. So people usually don't consume it, but it's very essential to take garlic. So the next ingredient we are putting in is onion. So you can put, after a bit of time itself, you can put the onion inside. So now the onion is put, and now again we go back to the stirring part. So we stir it properly. The flavor, the essence, everything should come as we planned it to come. And I guess we have to stir for a minimum of 5 minutes. So that's enough. So after stirring for 5 minutes, you can see the onion becomes a bit of translucent type. After that, you have to put chili, green chili. So green chili also is for flavor, that spiciness and that effect comes. And that's the best part of fried rice. One of the most favorite dishes for me. My first favorite dish would be the pulao, veg pulao. After that, the fried rice comes because in these dishes there's a proper essence, taste, flavoring, and I like rice items very much. So another bad news for this video is that spring onion we didn't get it. So unfortunately we couldn't put. Actually, spring onion gives another set of flavor in this dish actually. Like apart from the soya sauce and the pepper. And now we are adding in the mushroom, the our most important ingredient. So you can see the mushroom how well it's getting stirred here. Actually, the mushrooms they will be bigger in size to look at first, but later it gets shrunken little bit because the water that and all gets absorbed, especially in case of your fried rice. In fried rice, there will be no water in the particular stuff, or else in case of your biryani and all, there's a bit of masala mixing and all that stuff. So that's the part. That's the thing. So let's keep it like this for the next 5 minutes or 10 minutes with proper stirring. So friends, you can observe that it's becoming a bit watery here. So it becomes watery as the mushroom will release the water. So slowly the water will evaporate and you will see oil in the mixture. And then stir fry till the mushroom becomes light brown color. That will come soon now. We'll go through it. So friends, now it's ready. You can see all the mushrooms have shrunken and it's brownish in color now. So we'll add salt first. So so you, as we all know, table salt is one of the most important ingredient in our day-to-day life. Apart from that, pepper. So we'll stir pepper and salt in this now properly. Now we'll add the important ingredient, as I already told you, that is soya sauce. It's also a coloring agent for our fried rice, if you ask me. In hotels and all, they use it in abundant amounts because it gives flavor and color. Apart from this, we are adding red chili sauce now. You can use normal sauce also, but we are using red chili sauce. It gives flavor. So you can see it's becoming a very tight mixture. Now we'll add coriander leaves. So all the basic ingredients are done with. Now stirring is the work we have to do. So I'll stir it and again show you. So friends, you can see our basic ingredient for the fried rice is ready, and now the next part is adding rice, which I'll show you. So a proper essence and flavoring is coming. So this is the same way how you prepare a Manchurian also. But in this place we are adding rice and making it fried rice. So now when we add rice, it will become proper. So we are adding rice now. So how much is required, that much we will add. No excess amount. This rice, salt is already added when boiling back then. Now mixing is done. So we properly stir it and mix it up. Now the rice will also change its color soon. From white it will become brownish. So you can see it's already changing color. It's looking like biryani right now. A little more further and proper mixing will happen. So friends, the mixing is done. Now we'll keep it like this for a few minutes until it gets cooled. So once it gets cooled, it will show the proper distribution and color of the gas. The work is done. Our mushroom fried rice is ready. So friends, I'll take a bit of a bite here. So it's properly done. The rice is the rice also is very good, the basmati rice which we got, and the mushroom also is properly done. A bit of spicy because we added the red chili sauce instead of normal sauce. So I already showed you, I tasted you, and the mushroom fried rice is ready. So friends, I would like to thank you all for watching the video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Soon I'll come with more and more stuff, more and more videos. So be with me until next time. Bye.